Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add another circle on Life360. All right, so first up, just go ahead and tap on the app itself to launch it. Now, once you're in here, as you can see here at the very top, we have your name or the name of your current circle. So just go ahead and tap on the drop down. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, you can go ahead and create a new circle from here or join a circle. All right. So as the title suggests, we would need to add another circle. So just go ahead and tap on create a circle. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and tap on any suggestions right here. Or if you want, you can go ahead and name your circle. All right. So in these suggestions, I'm just going to tap on friends as I already have a family circle. All right. Now, once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and send a code as what we have done on our first circle. All right. That's basically how you do it. Now, when you check it out right here, as you can see, when you tap on back, you're already in the friends circle. Now, if you want to go back to your main circle, just tap on the drop down once more and select that circle. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.